Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Marley Permaso Tominis. I'm from Barangay Balukawi, Abuyog, Leyte, Philippines. I'm 35 years old. I'm high school graduate. I'm a married. I'm a mother of 4 children, 3 daughters and 1 son. We have 5 siblings. I'm the third. This is my first time applying as a domestic helper, but I have 5 years experience here in Philippines as a nanny. I'm taking care of a 1-year-old baby and 5 years old, and also helping a household. My duties and responsibilities are as a helper are cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, washing dishes, ironing, taking care of the baby, and sometimes marketing. I'm a flexible woman, hardworking, honest, and fast learner. You don't worry about me, Mama Sir, cause I can assure you I can do all my tasks. I'll taking care of your baby as my own child. Hoping you choose me, Mama Sir, as a part of your family as your employees. Thank you and God bless.